Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Today we have a Lexus RX luxury line. A lot of people complain about this box that you get given from the dealership. So we've redesigned this and we should be able to replace it with something a little bit smaller, like that. Let's get into it. So how this product works is this miniature plinth is a direct replacement for the factory plinth. So what we're going to do is we'll take off the plate, take off the box, and then we can mount this in its place along with the bracket. So all you see will be just a normal plate floating without the excess plastic around it. First thing you're going to do, take off all the screws and also take off the screws holding the factory mount, and it'll all come off the cup. So I've got the factory plinth off. It was pretty easy, just take off the screws. There's this clip that sort of go from underneath, the other go down and upwards, and it just drops out. We're gonna replace this with our one. So this is a miniature plinth. You can see it's gonna be a lot smaller. We'll get rid of all the excess plastic. To install this, really easy. Just grab the 2 screws that came out and put it back in through these holes, and we can move on to the bracket. Now that we have a miniature plinth installed, it's time to choose the correct bracket to suit your number plate, because it is a 2-part system. The plinth is one, the bracket is the other. So in front of me, I have a range of number plates available in Victoria. There is one New South Wales ones. We have a number plate bracket to suit any number plate that we have in Australia in various sizes. I think there's over 50 different sizes. So for example, if you want to put on a European plate, grab yourself one of our European number plates, which pairs up with that size and attaches to the car. Slimline is a very common size. Victoria, Queensland, Northern Territory, they all have this size. This size also comes in 3 different formats. So if you have one of these, grab yourself a slimline bracket. We have one to suit South Australia here, which is also a different size. So make sure you grab that to pair it up. We have Japanese style, standard. We've got small 3-letter plates, which has its own bracket. Even specialized plates, like these frame signature ones, we have a bracket for this too. So the message is, find out the size of your plate and pair it with the correct bracket to put in your car. So for this one, we'll be installing Victorian slimlines. So I've got some Victorian slimline brackets, and I'm going to attach it to the car, and the plate will simply bolt on, completing our installation. So when it comes to attaching your bracket, you can use any of the slots paired with any of the positions onto the plinth, which allows for plenty of adjustment. I'm going to go straight for the middle on the bracket and the plinth, and I think that will probably look the best. I'm ready to attach the number plate onto our bracket. I'm using our optional security screw. What that means is these bolts require a special key, which is provided for you to remove them. This makes it a little bit harder for the thieves to take the plates off. When it comes to mounting number plates on the back of the RX, and this is very common amongst all Lexuses, the good thing is the hole does line up with the hole in the plate, which is fantastic. You can bolt it straight on. But the problem is you can still see the bulge on the back of the car. It's pretty unsightly, especially if you have a light colored car, it really stands out. So what you can do is mount one of our brackets on instead. And because these slots here are adjustable, you can adjust them higher, which covers that bulge. Now, this is very normal for, say, slimline plates, standard plates, anything that has holes already. Japanese is a different problem. Well, 2 problems. 1, you can see the bulge. 2, it hangs way too low and it's going to scratch the bottom of the car. So I'll probably recommend grabbing a bracket for that. For plates that don't have holes, say Euro plates, you don't want to just stick this onto the car, because if you plan on retaining the number plate, the only way to get it off is to fishing line the tape off, and that's going to scratch the car. So I highly recommend getting a bracket for that. So for this car, we're going to mount the same plates on, which are slim lines. I'm going to use our bracket system, and that also allows us to use security fittings which would go through the plate into a bracket, so you can't take it off unless you have our key. So I've got my bolt set up. I'm gonna put a little spacer on it as well, so that way we get that nice premium floating look. But I have noticed that we actually can't go too high because you'll see the little stamping in the boot lids. But because it's adjustable, we're gonna find a perfect spot. So it's high enough to cover this, but not so high where it shows too much of the stamping on the back of the boot. So I've positioned the bracket where I think looks the best, high enough to cover the bulge and high and low enough to cover this. But you can still see it from that angle. But once you put a plate on, you're not gonna see that very much unless you're peering underneath. And you don't see the bulge unless you're peering over. So I think that's probably the best position considering what we have to work with. All I gotta do now is put the cover on. And since we're using the bracket, I'm also gonna use our optional security screws. There you have it, got the slimline plates onto the car, and I feel that I've got the positioning very good, especially after we put a cover on it. It hides all the imperfections in the boot lid really well. There you have it, that completes our install. We've managed to get rid of the big oversized box with the help of our miniature plinth, which replaces this, and our bracket system. So just remember to choose the correct plinth to suit your model, because we will have a range to suit all these different Lexuses, and also match it up with the correct bracket to suit your number plate style. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.